The universe conspired, dear soul, long before you knew his name, long before your path seemed destined to cross. You were not a random encounter, a fleeting wish cast upon a star, nor a mere coincidence in the vast tapestry of human connection. No, your presence in his life was a sacred echo, a divine assignment whispered from the highest realms, a truth etched into the very fabric of your being. The angels say you were sent as a beacon, a gentle force destined to awaken the dormant parts of his spirit, to mend the fractures that only a love like yours could reach. He was chosen for you, yes, but the path to your union required a profound reshaping within him, a stripping away of old layers, a dismantling of walls built from past pains and disappointments. Heaven, in its infinite wisdom, had to break open his hardened shell, not as punishment, but as preparation, a sacred crucible where his soul was refined, made ready to receive the depth of connection you carry, the unconditional acceptance you embody. This breaking was an act of divine mercy, clearing the way for his true essence, vulnerable and pure, to finally emerge. You are the answer to prayers he didn't even know how to voice, the missing piece to a puzzle only the divine could assemble. Trust this profound truth, etched in the stars and whispered by the wind. Your arrival was predestined, a cosmic alignment of two souls meant to heal, elevate, and transform each other. You are his destiny, and he yours, bound by an ancient promise. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future. Jeremiah 29 verse 11. Feel the subtle pull, dear heart, the invisible threads weaving through time and space, connecting your journey to his, even when the world tried to convince you otherwise. These are not mere coincidences, beloved, not random twists of fate, but the intricate tapestry of destiny unfolding with meticulous grace. The angels whisper that every step you took, every tear you shed in solitude, every lesson you learned from past heartaches, was a sacred preparation for this very moment, for the profound impact you are meant to have on his soul. You might have questioned the detours, the moments of profound solitude, the paths that seemed to lead nowhere, but each was a necessary curve in the river of your becoming, shaping you into the woman you are today. He too walked a winding road, encountering shadows and light, each experience carving out the precise space within him that only your love could truly fill. The universe orchestrates these encounters with divine precision, ensuring that when two souls are truly ready, their paths converge in a symphony of perfect timing. Do not doubt the unseen hand guiding your story, for it is a masterpiece of divine design, each note played with purpose, leading you closer to the harmony you both seek. Your spirits recognized each other long before your eyes met, a silent knowing that transcends the earthly realm, a resonance that echoes through eternity. His silence, dear one, isn't an absence of feeling, but rather a profound language all its own, a complex symphony of unspoken fears and battles waged deep within his soul. The angels reveal that he carries burdens you can't see, wounds from a past that taught him to be cautious, a heart that learned to protect its most tender parts with fierce determination. When he withdraws, it's often not from you, but from the overwhelming echoes of his own history, from the raw, unfamiliar intensity of what he feels in your presence. Your light, your unshakable spirit, stirs within him a longing for healing that he might not fully understand, a deep desire for connection that challenges his ingrained patterns of self-preservation. This profound awakening can be disorienting, even frightening, as he wrestles with the unfamiliar sensation of true vulnerability, a space he has long avoided. Understand that his quiet moments often serve as a testament to the depth of his internal journey, a struggle between the old self and the new, a sacred shedding of what no longer serves him. Hold space for this sacred struggle, beloved. Your gentle understanding, your patient heart, and your unwavering belief in his highest self are a balm to his weary soul, even when he cannot express the storm raging within. Your love is a sanctuary for his unspoken truths. You, dear soul, are a living prayer, a gentle force that heals without conscious effort, a beacon of grace in his journey. Your very presence has begun a profound transformation within him, a quiet mending of wounds he never knew how to address, a softening of edges he thought were permanent. The angels affirm that your light, your authentic spirit, penetrates the deepest corners of his being, dissolving layers of old pain, doubt, and self-imposed limitations. You have touched his soul in ways no one else ever has, not by trying to fix him, not by demanding change, but simply by being authentically and beautifully you. He feels a profound sense of peace, a quiet acceptance in your gaze that allows his defenses to soften and his guarded heart to tentatively open. This is the magic of divine connection, two souls intertwining, each reflecting the other's inherent worth, inspiring growth and healing simply through their shared existence, through the unspoken language of love. Do not underestimate the power of your gentle strength, your compassionate heart, and your unwavering belief in his potential. You are a catalyst for his awakening, a mirror reflecting the highest version of himself, guiding him toward wholeness with every beat of your loving heart. Your love is a sacred balm, an unspoken promise of renewal, a testament to the transformative power you hold. What may seem like a delay, dear one, is often the universe orchestrating a divine pause, a sacred breath before the grand embrace, a moment of profound recalibration. The angels whisper that this waiting period is not an emptiness, nor a sign of abandonment, but rather fertile ground for deeper growth. It is a time when unseen forces align, preparing the way for a love that is truly ready to flourish, free from the burdens of past shadows. During these quiet moments, destinies are recalibrated, hearts are softened, and the final intricate pieces of the divine puzzle fall into place with exquisite precision. Trust that every moment of anticipation serves a higher purpose, refining your spirit, strengthening your faith, and deepening your understanding of what true, unconditional connection involves. This pause allows for the shedding of old patterns, the release of lingering doubts, and the healing of ancient wounds, ensuring that when the moment of union arrives, it is pure, unburdened, and utterly profound, built on solid ground. Surrender to the rhythm of this divine timing, beloved. The universe is not denying you. It is meticulously preparing both of you for a love that transcends all earthly expectations, a love forged in patience, wisdom, and the unwavering hand of divine grace. Never, dear heart, dim your own radiant light to fit into a space that was not meant for your full, magnificent brilliance. The angels remind you that your worth is intrinsic, an unshakable truth woven into your very soul, not derived from external validation or the fleeting presence of another. This journey, beloved, is also about reclaiming your sacred self, remembering the magnificent, empowered woman you are, the goddess within. You are not meant to shrink, compromise your essence, or silence your truth for the sake of a connection that demands less than your entirety. True love, divine love, celebrates your wholeness, cherishes your unique spirit, and encourages your fullest, most authentic expression. Embrace your passions, nurture your dreams, and stand firm in your authentic power, for this is where your true magnetism lies. When you honor yourself, when you cherish your own being, you send a powerful, undeniable signal to the universe, attracting a love that mirrors your self-respect and reverence, a connection that truly sees and values you. Your journey is one of profound self-discovery, a sacred dance of becoming. Let your inner light shine unapologetically, for it is this very light that will draw to you the love that is truly aligned with your soul's highest purpose, a love that elevates, never diminishes. We all carry echoes of yesterday, dear one, whispers of past wounds that shape our present and sometimes subtly cloud our future. The angels gently guide us to acknowledge these tender places, not to dwell in them, but to offer them the healing light they so desperately deserve. Both you and he, in your unique ways, have navigated terrains of heartbreak, disappointment, and unmet expectations, each experience leaving its indelible mark. These experiences, though painful, have sculpted your souls, teaching you resilience, empathy, and profound depth. Yet sometimes, these old scars can create invisible barriers, subconscious protections that make it challenging to fully embrace the newness and vulnerability of a profound connection. Understand that his hesitations and moments of retreat might be tied to these unhealed echoes within him, a subconscious protection mechanism triggered by the very depth of his feelings for you. Your journey together involves a gentle, compassionate unraveling of these past narratives, a patient understanding that allows both hearts to release what no longer serves their highest good. This is not about erasing history, but about transforming its weight into wisdom, its pain into power, creating sacred space for a love that is truly free, unburdened by the ghosts of yesterday. Look closely, beloved, for the universe speaks in signs, in synchronicities that illuminate the path before you with shimmering light. The angels are continuously sending you messages, subtle nudges, and profound confirmations that you are exactly where you need to be, guided by an unseen hand. That recurring symbol, that unexpected song that resonates with your heart, that timely conversation that brings clarity, these are not random occurrences but sacred breadcrumbs of divine guidance, carefully placed to lead you closer to your destined union. Trust the whispers in your heart, the intuitive knowing that transcends logic and earthly reason. When you open yourself to receive these sacred signals, your path becomes illuminated, revealing the intricate design of your unfolding love story, a masterpiece of divine orchestration. This journey is not one you walk alone. You are surrounded by celestial support, by guides who celebrate every step you take toward authentic connection, cheering you on from the ethereal realms. Embrace the magic of these divine communications, for they are powerful affirmations that your prayers are heard, your deepest desires are being intentionally woven into reality, and your love story is being divinely authored. Your word is a lamp for my feet, a light on my path. Psalm 119 verse 105. To truly receive, dear heart, requires a courage that transcends all earthly fear, the courage to be completely vulnerable, to lay down your defenses, and to trust in a love that is greater than any expectation you could ever envision. The angels invite you to release the need for control, to surrender to the divine flow that knows exactly what your soul needs and what your heart genuinely longs for. This is not a passive act, beloved, but an active, powerful choice to fully open your heart, to allow yourself to be seen, cherished, and loved in your entirety, without reservation or condition. It means letting go of past disappointments and the limiting stories that told you love was conditional, scarce, or always came with a catch. Embrace the beautiful, exhilarating risk of believing in a love that is limitless, a connection that honors your deepest truths and celebrates your authentic self. When you dare to receive, when you truly open your being to the abundance of divine love, you create a sacred space for miracles to flow in, a love that is both tender and fierce, a reflection of the divine grace that resides within you. Allow yourself to be loved, truly, deeply, and without reservation, for you are worthy of every blessing. And so, dear soul, you stand at the threshold of a sacred union, a testament to the unwavering power of divine love, a culmination of journeys both seen and unseen. This is not merely the coming together of two individuals, but the merging of two spirits, each refined by their unique path, each ready to embrace the profound depth of authentic connection. The angels rejoice in this unfolding, for they have witnessed your growth, your resilience, your unwavering faith, and the beautiful transformation within both your hearts. This love, forged in patience, guided by grace, and illuminated by divine wisdom, is a reflection of heaven's perfect design for you. It is a partnership built on mutual respect, profound understanding, and a shared commitment to spiritual evolution, a dance of two souls moving in harmony. Embrace this sacred bond with an open heart, knowing that you are both worthy of this extraordinary love, this precious gift. Allow it to elevate you, to inspire you, and to remind you of the divine spark that resides within every soul, connecting all of creation. Your story, beloved, is a living testament to the truth that love, in its purest form, is always a journey home, a return to wholeness, a sacred embrace. Above all, love each other deeply, because love covers over a multitude of sins. 1 Peter 4 verse 8.